Hello, my name's Steve MacAvoy, and I'm chair of the Environmental Science Department at American University. I wanted to share with you some of the innovative things that our department is doing with laboratories in the coming semester. For the non-majors lab, we'll be doing a trash analysis, actually, for the students' own waste stream, looking at recyclables, compostables, and just what just gets tossed out. We'll also be using Google Street View to allow students to characterize the ecosystems around the places where they live. And that's kind of interesting because there's often a lot more complexity, even in urban environments, than students normally would think of. And so that'll give people a new way of thinking about where they live. For the majors classes, particularly Environmental Science 160, we'll be using some apps to look at biodiversity indexing. So one of the apps is called Seek. Another one is an integrated website called iNaturalist. And also in 160, we'll be looking at air quality data in an era of COVID, where air quality is dramatically changing in real time. And I think it'd be really interesting for the students to look at that data and do an analysis using real-time data. For the 260 class, we'll actually be doing more modeling. So Environmental Science 260 will be using climate change simulations and life cycle assessment models, among other kind of applications that are quantitative and very kind of predictive, looking in the future. So through creative work of our lab director, Dr. Barbara Balestra, we've been able to come up with some really interesting projects that allow students to kind of view their own environment in a different light. So we're super excited about those.